Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about reoccurring tasks. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be going over reoccurring tasks. So as you see here, we have opened up the My Life operating system. And we're going to be talking about how you can do reoccurring tasks inside of Notion. So let's go over here to System Dashboards and go to today's agenda. Now, what we can do for reoccurring tasks is pretty simple. So we can go up here to the New button. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little drop down. And as you see here in this template, I have this one with a little arrow to the right, and that is for one-time tasks only. The one with the little calendar symbol is for calendar events. And the one here with the arrows going around and around and around, like repeating, is for recurring tasks. So if I go ahead and click on that, and now I'll put in here, let's say I want to do go for a walk. And let's say I go ahead and choose an action date, and so we'll choose today. And then context, really don't have one for this. And so then what I do is I typically open up this 21 more properties section here. Just open that up. And I'll go down here to recurring unit, and I will select days because I want this to recur every day. Then I'll put in how many days I want it to recur. So I'm going to say 1 day. I want it to recur every single day. So the 1 means it's going to recur every single day. And that's all I do. Now, if you look up here, you see now I have something filled in for my next action date. So my first action date is on the 14th. Next action date is on the 15th. Okay. Then what I usually do is I go ahead and hide those properties again, and now I have this recurring task set up. So let's go ahead and close out of here. And let's say, for instance, I have gone for my walk today and I'm done with it. Okay. What I can do is a couple things. I can, because a lot of times when you have these recurring tasks set up, you might have them set up for quite some time and you don't remember if go for a walk is every day or every 3 days. So what you can do is when you click on this after you've finished your walk and you want to move it to the next day and you don't remember what that next day is, you just open it up. You see it's the 15th. You go and choose the 15th for your next day, and now close it out and it's gone out of your list. And it's moved over. Don't click done that it's completed, because recurring tasks, if you do that, it's going to be out of your list forever and it's never going to recur again. So it's best to, on recurring tasks, click on the date and move it to the next day it's supposed to happen on, the event or the task is supposed to happen on. Okay. Don't click, don't choose done, just move it on over. Okay. Now let's say, for instance, that we want to have a recurring task that happens 3 times a week. Okay. So let's go here to New and select the repeating. And let's say we're going to do lift weights, right? Maybe I want to do that on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So what I can do is can go ahead and check my first day I'm going to do it on, which is Friday. I'm going to go down there to 21 more properties. I want to check my units as days still. You would think it'd be weeks, but it ain't. Because if you select weeks and then put in number 1 for the interval, it's going to repeat every Friday, because that's why I selected the start date is Friday, so it's going to be every Friday. But the cool thing about this is if you select days, you're still going to put in 1. However, in this section here, days, only if set to 1 days, you can select which days you want. So I want Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, when I go up here, you see that my day is Friday, right here, right? But my next day is the 17th. So once I'm done lifting weights today, then I will just click here and move it on over to Monday. And if you look here, you see Monday now is set, but the next day is Wednesday. And that's how you do recurring tasks inside of Notion. It's really simple, really easy, no complicated thing. You don't have to set up any kind of automation to do recurring tasks. It's pretty nice and easy. Another thing I want to show you is, let's say for instance, I have that set up, right? And I also have a one-time task set up for today. Finish manual. And so we're going to set that to first priority, and there you go. Alright, so let's say I have a one-time task set up for today and reoccurring task that's in here. Well, the cool thing about this view here, the today view, is that I have it separated into a type group, and you see that right here under 3 dots. Group is set for type. And the thing about this is it can separate your one-time tasks from your reoccurring tasks. Pretty cool, huh? So anyways, that's all I wanted to show you all today concerning reoccurring tasks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment right down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.